Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting Hyper-V Manager. Make sure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS and install the Hyper-V role or feature now. This allows hardware acceleration. Once done, open Hyper-V Manager as an administrator and connect to the local server or enter a remote host. You do this first because the management console depends on the role and host connection. Without them, you cannot create or manage virtual machines. Now proceed to create resources. You now create and configure the virtual machine. Start the new virtual machine wizard, pick generation 1 or 2 depending on OS requirements, and assign memory and CPU count. Choose dynamic or static memory depending on workload. Next, attach or create a VHDX file and map storage locations to separate OS and data. Then configure a virtual switch for networking and enable integration services for time sync and file copy. These choices affect performance and manageability, so adjust before first. You finish by starting the VM and completing guest OS installation, then install integration tools for drivers and graceful shutdown support. Make sure to configure checkpoints and regular backups, export VMs, or enable replication for disaster recovery. If something goes wrong, first check generation mismatch and secure boot settings, then verify VHDX file integrity and virtual switch assignments. If the VM still won't boot, remove newly attached devices and review event logs. These steps close the loop and keep VMs stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.